100% lean. In every production environment there is room to improve. Our expert walk service will support your continuous improvement process by focusing on the fastener and assembly procedure of your product. Together with you, we will walk the line to identify distinct improvement points, which will lead to lower assembly costs and leaner processes. At the same time, we make sure that your quality and safety of the fastening joints in your product will be guaranteed or even improved. If you want to give it a go, please get in contact with our experts to benefit from our expert walk service.